Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to play your GIF files in your iOS app using Xcode. I'm gonna be using Xcode 10 and the final result that you'll be seeing is gonna look something like this. Right, so I had used a GIF of a galaxy going in a perfect loop and it's full screen. You can change the constraints for the image however you want it. You can resize the GIF however you like. But this is where you'll be reaching if you follow the steps that I'm going to be going through. Now you just want to make a new Xcode project, single view app. I'm just going to name it GIF Flare and create. Now go on to main.storyboard and drag an image view. Alright, let's just let it load. Okay, now drag an image view onto your screen. I'm going to set up the constraints from the view. Since I want it to be full screen, I'm going to select view and then put it to 0. Oh, okay, I think I messed up the top constraint. So I'm going to fix that. It doesn't need to be from safe area, it needs to be till the view. So super view. I think I'll just delete that and then reset the constraint. Delete that as well. So 0 from view. And that's from the view too. Alright, now it's full screen. The next thing you want to do is open the link that I'll be putting this in the description box. This is a file that you can copy from GitHub and it plays the GIFs for you. Now you have to open up Swift GIF Common and just have a look at this code. Now in order to include that in your iOS app, you're gonna have to make a new Swift file. I'm just gonna name this GIF file flare. Create. Now just go ahead and copy this entire code into that file. Alright, now that that's done, you can just go on to viewController.swift and create an outlet property for your image in order to use it the way you want to, I guess. I'm going to name my outlet property, I'm going to name it, I think, GIF view, yeah, or just GIF, let's just leave it at that. Connect. And then you just have to get your GIF file from your computer into your app. So just drag it in there and make sure that this is selected and finish. Yeah. Yeah, so there it is. My Galaxy GIF is right here. And also you should not try to add it to the assets folder because GIFs don't go into the assets folder. I really don't know how to pronounce GIFs or GIFs. I think I'm gonna have to check, but it doesn't matter. The point is that you're pretty close to being done. And once this is ready, I'll show you how to include your file. Now this gives the method to use this file, and I'm just gonna copy this line and paste it under view did load. Now my file is known as galaxy.gif, so I'm gonna name it galaxy. And my image view is called GIF, so I'm gonna change that too. Alright, so I think we're done and we can run it now. Alright, so while we're waiting for this to work, I'm going to show you how to change the speed of the GIF. So go on to GIF player file. Okay, I'm just going to call it GIF now. So over here, there's going to be a function called delay something. I'm just going to do ctrl+F and look for it. Command F, delay. Alright, there it is. So in this delay file, you can change the speed or the delay between each slide. So in case you don't know, in Mac OS, slides or PowerPoint presentations in Microsoft terms are stored, that's the method in which a GIF is stored. So through this delay function, you can change the speed at which or the time after which the next slide is played. So if you increase the delay, in that case you're reducing the speed of the GIF. So you can set this to 0.001 if you want it to be very slow, or maybe 1 if you want it to be fast, but I'm just going to leave this at 0.1, or actually I'll make this 0.05. Oops, yeah, 0.05. If you're changing that, you're going to have to change it down here as well, 0.05. And now your GIF is going to be much faster. Let's just have a look at this one for now. Alright, this is how it is. The reason why it's not full screen is because I did not set it to aspect fill. So I'm going to do that now. Image view content mode to aspect fill. Now if I run this, it should be full screen as well as faster than it was before. There you go, it's done, and thank you for watching.